Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to submit corporation tax return online. First, gather all your financial documents, including profit and loss statements and balance sheets. Make sure you have your government gateway user ID and password ready. If your company isn't registered for corporation tax, you'll need to do that first. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient filing process. Once prepared, log in to your government gateway account using your company's specific user ID and password. Navigate to the corporation tax section and find the option to file your company's return. You'll need to input your company's unique tax reference number to proceed. This step connects you directly to your company's tax records. Now, carefully enter all your financial data into the online form. This includes your profits, losses, and any other relevant income or expenses. It's crucial to double-check every figure for accuracy before moving forward. Remember to declare any applicable tax reliefs or allowances your company qualifies for, which can reduce your tax liability. Before submitting, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire tax return. Confirm all sections are complete and all figures are correct. Once satisfied, you'll need to electronically sign the declaration, confirming the information is accurate to the best of your knowledge. Finally, click the Submit button to send your corporation tax return online. You'll receive a confirmation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.